Open house Saturday, July 15th, from 2:30 to 4 p.m. Take a look at this rare find in North Bismarck. This home was built and occupied by the same owner since 1968. It has 3 bedrooms on the upper floor with a full bathroom. The oversized laundry room is located off of the kitchen. The kitchen is equipped with a dishwasher connection. You'll love the layout and the many windows that let the sunshine in. The owner was a woodworker, and you will find many well-built cabinets and additional storage throughout the home. In the past, a 4th, non-conforming, bedroom was located downstairs off of the family room. New owners could easily recreate that space again, if needed. The family room has a wood stove that can be used for supplemental heat in the winter. A 3/4 bathroom is located downstairs. A root cellar is located past the small door in the utility room. Overall, this house offers a fantastic combination of practicality and charm. Stepping into the backyard, you'll find a delightful surprise shed nestled beside 3 long flower beds. This creates a lovely focal point and allows for a variety of gardening possibilities. The garage features a clever storage solution with a wall dedicated to organizing your belongings efficiently. Don't miss out. Contact your realtor today.